Alright, so today we're going to go over graphing lines. So the simple equation for it is y equals mx plus b. And as we already know, the x and y are two variables for our graph. M stands for slope, which is rise over run, and the b stands for the y-intercept. So for our first example, we have 3x plus 2. Now, for our m, we have 3 and plus 2, so b is 2. So we said b was our y-intercept. So we go from here, 1, 2, there's a y-intercept, and then our slope, m, is 3, so 3 over 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. And then we make our line, and there we go. Sometimes you'll get problems that don't have an m. For problems like this, it's actually just 1. So our m is 1 and minus 5, so b is negative 5. So we'll go over here, and we go from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then our slope is 1, so up 1 over 1. And there's our line. Now, some students get confused when you see fractions, but it's actually a lot easier, because for the slope, you have 1 over 2, and that easily tells you rise over run, so you go up 1 and over 2. And for our y-intercept, again, b is 3. So we'll go to 0, 1, 2, 3, and then up 1 over 2. And there we go. Now here's a new thing, we have our negative slope. Now this isn't too hard to figure out, especially because on this problem there is no y-intercept, there is nothing over here, so it's just 0. So for a negative slope, we just go down 1, start from 0, go down 1 and over 2, because it's negative 1 over 2. And we just draw our line like this, and there we are. Alright, so now we're going to look at a line and try to figure out what the equation is. So first things first, the easiest part would probably be to figure out the y-intercept. Now if we look here, here's 0, and it's crossing over at 1. So our y-intercept would be positive 1, plus 1. And then we can look at our slope, and we'll see that from 1 it goes up 1, and then over 2, and there hits another line right there. So up 1 over 2. So that would be our slope. We're going to do the same thing here. And here we can see that the y-intercept is 2. And if you look, this is going down just like our negative slope earlier. So you can count 1, 2, 3, and over 2. So our y-intercept was 2, so plus 2. And then our slope was down 3, so have to be negative 3 over 2. Alright, for this one, can I get 2 volunteers to come on up? Alright, for this we're going to want you to find m, the slope, and b, the y-intercept, and then graph the line. Good job, guys. And can I get 2 more volunteers? For this one, we have the line already drawn. We're going to want you to find the slope and the y-intercept and give us the equation. Go ahead and go. Awesome job, guys. And that's all I got.
Yes. And review should be out.
Yeah.